We learned that Beckett would be born with half of a heart. It was pretty earth-shattering.
One day you have a totally healthy baby, and then the next day you have a baby with probably the most severe congenital heart defect.
You have all these expectations, and they just come crumbling down.
He was actually transferred to a hospital. So we had all of his care here in the same building. We had a plan and kind of built relationships with the people that were going to be saving our son's life. And we met with Dr. Guleserian before he was even born.
Every single family that comes into our heart center is part of our family from day one. We have a huge team that cares for these babies. In Beckett's case, 40 to 50 people at least who are involved in the care of this one little baby.
Without the staff and the surgeons, he wouldn't be here today.
6 surgeries and 3 open heart surgeries.
Our son would not be here without a hospital.
You're operating on a baby's heart that truly is the size of a walnut. It's pretty remarkable to see babies get through these operations and to see panicked looks on parents' faces turn into smiles. That's really what keeps you going.
They saved his life. There's no doubt about it.
We know that whatever it is our son needs care-wise, we're gonna get it. The nurses and the doctors just love our kid like we do. They were there always.
Beckett is a rock star. Not only is he the cutest little guy you'll ever see, but Beckett's pretty strong.
Beckett is the happiest, most joyful 1-year-old. He's crawling, he's hitting all of his milestones.
It was great to see his parents smiling. If they're smiling, then I know everything's okay.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you for taking care of Beckett.
People take for granted all the things that a hospital does or can do for you. They're people that give their life to serve. These are the best of the best.